Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's jump into it. I should have looked up the purchase date, but about 3 months ago, I purchased this cute little Coach Tabby bag. I am not so much for a small bag, so it sat on my shelf for quite a while. I figured that at some point I would carry it, but every time I looked at it, I thought it was very, very small. Until one day I needed a small bag and she surprised me. Let's get into it.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Okay, so I believe Amazon had this as the messenger, Tabby messenger. She is in black pebble leather, has the Coach hang tag here. It is a crossbody, pretty generous strap. It does not have any top handle, so it's a one-way carry. The lock to it is a push lock. You'll see on the side here, there's a little button that you will open, and then the interior is a beautiful like microfiber honey brown interior. It has a flip pocket in the front, and in the back there is a slip pocket. So what did I carry? And I've carried this bag for about 2 weeks. And let's take a look at what we have in here. What fits? And again, I'm going to say this. I just like big bags because I'm always carrying everything in it. But I had to pare down and I wasn't disappointed. She really did well. So I'm going to show you just kind of from the top what I had in here. I carried of course, I'm driving, so I needed a key pouch. So I had the key pouch in here. I also had my Fenty lip gloss. I had my my card wallet where I carried my ID cards and some cash in here. I have a hand sanitizer. I have a phone number one for work. I also have the J Labs in here, my earphones. And there is a front pocket here with a snap on both sides. I didn't have anything in here, but it was still space that I can put some other small things in there. In the interior flip pocket, I just had my little dental sticks in there. And in the back, I have my phone. Let's see, get this out of here. Phone number 2. So she was able to carry both of my phones, my essentials, my card wallet, key pouch, lip gloss, earpods, my dental flosses, all those immediate things I needed. And also, I didn't have it in here because I took it out just before this video, but also my lotion. I did carry my hand lotion in here. So I was so happy with how she performed, and it was just surprising to me. I did get this at a good price on Amazon. I'll look it up and post it on here what price I was able to get her at. But she's beautiful. I was running around and had everything just what I needed in this bag. So I am pretty pleased with this little tabby here. She was beautiful and very functional. So let me know if you have this size. I think this is, I'm not going to I'm not going to try to guess. I'll put the size as well once I look both of those up. But this is the first Tabby I've gotten, and I do like it. I'm not really because this feels like a lot to me. I like to be able to get in and out of my bag, so I do like zipper or maybe the drawstring bags. Those are my favorites. And I really just didn't want to fuss with a lock like this. But I mean, she may have changed my mind. I may break down and get some other tabbies, but definitely changed my mind here. Thank you all. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to see anything else, I'll be glad to post a video about it. Let me know your favorite tabby and the first one that you purchased and what were your thoughts on it. All right. Thank you and enjoy your day.